if I want to do the back cross step, I'll leave this and go 1, 2, cha cha cha, 3, 4, cha cha cha, 1, 2, cha cha cha, 3, 4. Lock the step and go 1, 2, cha cha cha, 3, 4, cha cha cha. Front crosses 1, 2, cha cha cha, 3, 4, cha cha cha. Back to basic 2, cha cha cha, 3, 4, cha cha cha. Now we go to the front, back, basic side step. 1, 2, cha cha cha, 3, 4, cha cha. So left leg forward for the length again, right leg back, 2, cha cha cha. Now we are doing the turn. Underarm turn will go 1, 2, cha cha cha. I'll lift 3, 4, cha cha cha. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 3, 4, cha cha cha. If the lead has to turn, it will go 1, 2, cha cha cha. 3, 4. So when the lady is moving back, that's the time I turn. Cha cha cha. 3, 4, cha cha cha. The straight leg step. Now the basic step of the side step 1, 2, I will keep the side. 3, 4, cha cha cha. Now if I want to straighten the step, I'll go 1, 2, cha cha cha. 3, 4. Straighten up the hand. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 3, 4, cha cha cha. The turns on the straight step 1, 2, cha cha cha. 3, 4, cha cha cha. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 3, 4, cha cha cha. If I want to turn, I'll go left leg forward. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 3,